Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Skills Academy. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to design this castaway fork using the easiest command and the painless way of designing this castaway fork. So let's go to File, New, Parts. Okay, therefore as your window opens up, make sure that you change your units of measurements to millimeters. Then choose top plane, sketch, choose circle, draw a circle from the center and dimension it 50 millimeters. Enter. Then go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Extrude your cylinder to a distance of 50 millimeters. Okay, and then make a fillet radius of 5 millimeters. So go to Fillet, and then 5 millimeters radius, select this edge. Okay, then go to Reference Geometry, choose Plane, select reference plane, right plane, and offset it to the distance of 32 millimeters. Okay, select this plane, sketch, then choose a corner rectangle, draw a corner rectangle, put dimensions 45 millimeters height, width of 37 millimeters, and distance from this edge to this edge 6.5 millimeters. Okay, then make sure that this edge, or you can hide this plane. Let me hide this plane. Okay, and then this edge, select this edge and this, make it collinear. Great, and then go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, flip, then up to Next. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so choose front plane, sketch, make a sketch line from this edge to this edge, then dimension it to a distance of 10 millimeters from this top to this point of this line, make 10 millimeters. Okay, then go to Convert Entities, select this edge and this edge and this edge. Okay, then trim entities, trim this edge. Okay, then go to Features, Extruded Cut, and choose Mid Plane. Okay, cut. Wonderful. The next thing, go to Draft, select this top face and this side face, then make 20 degrees. Okay, great. Then go to Fillet command, make a fillet of 80 millimeters. Make 7 millimeters. Okay, then add some fillets here. Back to fillet, select this edge, that edge, and also this edge at the radius of 2 millimeters. Okay, again fillet, Select this edge and this edge. Same 2 millimeters radius. Okay, then go to shell. Select this face, and this face. Let's make the thickness of our fork to be 2.5 millimeters. Okay, see? Then next, select this face, sketch, circle, draw a circle of 5.01 millimeters. Okay, go to features, extruded cut, through all direction. Okay, the next thing, go to select this face, sketch, circle, draw a circle from the origin of 30.01 millimeters. Okay, go to features, extruded cut, direction, through all. Okay, then go to appearances, choose painted, sprayed, black spray paint. Okay, so guys, if you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.